So this is a robotic AI-powered grill. Cooks up to 8 patties at a time. You got 2 separate sides depending on your recipe needs. You can have 2 different temperature controls going. You have a griddle on the top and bottom. You can control the temperature of both of those as well. It'll compress, cook for you. When it's finished, it'll scoop the patties, place them in the tray for you, and then it'll auto clean with a scraping system as well. All you have to do is manually place the patties on the griddle, press a button, and you're good to go. We also have a safety feature. If you put your hand inside, it'll stop the machine. When you remove your hand, it'll start again.